Okay, so first up, what solutions has Steve Vick developed that changed the way the water industry works? It'd be good to know that.
So various water companies have adopted the use of our Hexi trailer with similar benefits in mind to the gas industry. The Hexi trailer is very popular within the gas industry for its health and safety aspects. And also they're able to use 500-meter coils of PE up to 90 mil, which helps to avoid wastage. In the water industry, it's rare for them to use 500-meter coils of PE, but the health and safety benefits have been a major factor in them using it. So these include safer ways of working for the contractors by cutting out the need to physically manhandle the coils of PE during dispensing. The trailer has a raised internal drum configuration, so PE can reel off with ease like a cotton reel. We also have our pipe handling equipment. We have a range of large handlers for up to 900mm PE, which water companies have adopted for the process of butt fusing lengths of PE together instead of using a strop. This results in a safe lifting plan to meet compliance requirements. And then we also have our smaller pipe handlers, which are used for the handling of PE and can act as a slit lining tool.
Okay, and whether it's those or any others, what products have you seen the most sort of success in the water industry? What sort of piqued people's interest the most?
So our keel cutter has been our most successful product to date within the water industry. It was previously owned by a sole trader, Southwest Pipe Tools, based in Yate. Steve Vick used to purchase it direct from them, who uses our contract services team over a 15-year period. However, in 2009, the owner was looking to retire, and because of the strength of relationship we had built, he wanted to sell the product to a family business. So we then purchased the rights and continued to use it within contracting, and then added it to our product portfolio for sales to the utility industry. Keel cutters are an essential tool when carrying out alterations and diversions within the water network, in any instance where a circumferential cut is required on a water main. They're ideal for cement-lined metallic pipes up to 1600mm in diameter and can be used on mains which have been pre-inserted with PE. The keel cutter is a classic example of an existing, well-established piece of equipment that is often overlooked as it isn't classed as an innovation. By adding keel cutters to our fleet of plan, it has allowed us to enter different industries like water and export.
Okay, and in terms of you referenced their entering the water industry, I mean, I've known the company for quite a while, but you are a relative newcomer to the space, so it'd be good to understand sort of how you found the journey of getting into the water industry, maybe comparing it to your experience in the gas industry, and perhaps as a part two, if you're able to share any sort of advice to other companies that are similarly looking at getting into water, the sort of do's and don'ts, if you like. So yeah, it'd be good.
I'd say because of our depth of experience and heritage within the gas industry, we were then able to understand which of our products could be applied to the water industry for mains replacement. It's always challenging breaking into a new market, as you said, but with the help and support of membership bodies such as the Pipe Industries Guild, UKSTT and Future Water Association, and also the power of social media channels such as LinkedIn, we were able to develop our network of contacts, which in turn has helped us gain greater insight into the market requirements and developments within the industry, therefore allowing us to introduce products which benefited the water companies and their contractors.
Okay, so in terms of just advice for other people, you'd say that the sort of industry bodies, associations is one of the biggest things they can do to help them understand the market.
Definitely, yeah, that's really helped us as a company.
Okay, and in terms of the technologies you offer, we're talking mainly about the UK market, I guess, but I'd just be interested as to how any of your technology solutions have transferred internationally to the water market, because sometimes they do things a bit differently, but what have you found?
Yeah, so Steve Vick has several international distributors. We've had a great deal of success within Denmark with our rat stop bag. So fitting rat blockers isn't yet standard practice for developers and homeowners in the UK, but in Denmark, these are already commonplace and are in fact often legally required to reduce rat infestation cases. So disused drains and sewers offer ideal harbourage to rats and frequently offer a route for them to move between sewers and the surface. So the rat stop bag is ideal for sealing off these drains and sewers using a grout cement which prevents the passage of rats and other vermin. It's the remote application that makes our system so successful. But we've also seen our keel cutters, trailers and pipe handle equipment are very popular with our international partners and customers.
Okay, and then just one other thing, sorry, in terms of Water 2030, I'm just interested, is that a big focus for you when it comes to developing products, or does it not feature? Just your thoughts around that initiative.
Yeah, absolutely. We've recently developed, as part of an NIA funded project, our PE pipe cutter. So this is a pneumatically powered tool which circumferentially cuts large diameter PE pipe. So the PE cutter has been developed as a much safer and quicker method for cutting PE than using hand tools, and will cut any size diameter pipe using a chain which can be adjusted. From an environmental point of view, we have developed an inbuilt vacuum which removes 95 to 100% of shavings, which removes contaminants for clean water and also the environment. And we're also currently developing an electric version of the cutter as well.
Okay, that's interesting. Any time frame on that? The
Hopefully very soon. We're doing sort of final development work on that now, so yeah, should be very soon for that.
Okay, that's great. I mean, it's been lovely to catch up with you, get some insight into what's going on at Steve Vick. So Shelley, thanks very much for your time. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.